Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video to be unboxing and reviewing a few new neon signs from Lumoonosity. They sent over 3 of their new neon signs. I'm guessing these are the ones that are out right now. At the time of recording, I don't know the pricing, but I'll leave a link in the description and post it once they're available. Let's start off with one of their new concepts, which are the neon moon sign with the stand. These are battery and USB powered. On the back of the box, we have just some information. It says bright and vivid color, really good packaging. It's their new packaging here. All right, so let's get straight into it. So here it is. You have the neon sign here. You have a USB connection. And then right here you have the base station. This is where the neon sign goes. And the reason why it doesn't have an on and off switch is because there's one on the base itself. That way you can use either batteries. You can put those in and turn it on and off. And if you have it a wired connection, you can turn it on and off without having to unplug it every time, which is really cool. Very smart idea. And then last but not least, you have an installation guide. So you have methods on how to do it. And then right here you have the satisfactory card. All you have to do is there's a little indent right there. You have to align it with the concave part to the convex and then just slide it in like so and make sure it clicks into place. Like if it's like not flat, just make it flat by pushing it down to hear it click. And then like I said, you can use either batteries, and these do use AA's. So make sure you have 3 AA's in case you want to do that. I recommend getting rechargeable ones. And then right here you have the cable. So I'll go ahead and plug it in, show you what it looks like. I have a power bank here. All right, so let's go and turn it on. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's pretty visible even with lights on. And then as you can see with no lights on, it's really cool. This gives a nice aura effect, as you can see. It looks really, really cool. So that'll look really nice on your desk setup, or basically anywhere you can put this. You could put it in like shop or like in the front desk or something. It'll look really, really nice. Let's get into the next one. We're gonna do the alien. So this one obviously is 2 colorway, and I'll show you in a minute. All right, so there it is. So it comes with the neon sign here. As you can see, you have the neon sign here. Looks pretty cool. You have a little mounting place right here, so if you use a screw, thumbtack, or whatever like that, you can use that, or you can put 3 adhesive on the back. You have the switch and the USB. Satisfactory card, installation card, and you also have 3M command strips. You do get 3 of those. This one's cool because obviously you can mount it up, so if you want it to be more visible, then it'll help out. So that's what that one looks like in day, if you have lights on. And then let's go ahead and show you what it looks like with lights off. So this is what it looks like with lights off. 3, 2, 1, boom. That looks really, really cool. As you can see, it has a nice amount of brightness. It does go like pretty much everywhere, so you'll be able to see really, really well. I'll probably throw up some B-roll of what these look like at the end, or maybe during this, I'm not too sure, but it looks really, really nice. I highly recommend to get one of these. So that's what that looks like. Really cool that you have an on and off switch. That's very helpful, so you don't have to ever unplug and plug it back in. Last but not least, we do have the Pinapple. So this one is a larger scale, and it does look by far one of the nicest and cleaner looking ones. This is my personal favorite. That's why I say best for last. So let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. This one's a bit more higher quality. Not too sure of the pricing. It might be more expensive than all of these, or maybe the same price. I don't know. So this is what it looks like. You have an acrylic right here, or a plastic, however you want to say it. And these, I believe, is a 2 colorway. And then right here, you also have the like it, share it card and satisfactory. So let's go ahead and peel off this protective plastic here. So that's what it looks like. This is the back. It's crystal clear, really, really nice. You have 2 little mounting screws or holes, or whatever you want to do that for. And then, yeah, this looks really, really nice. USB power like always. Let's go ahead and plug it in. So in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that looks really nice. Let me go ahead and zoom out. That's what that looks like in day. And in 3, 2, 1. That's what that looks like at night. It looks so good. This is good for obviously summer, any type of vibe, because it's mainly a pineapple. And summer's here, so might as well just pick this up for each summer routine. Switch out neon signs. You can put different neon signs each time up on your setup, so you can change it up, you know. It's really, really nice to have lots of neon signs just transition through, which is really cool for holidays and just seasons in general. So I highly recommend this one as well. One of the highest quality ones. Obviously, you have a green and like a yellow, tan yellow-ish. On camera, it looks yellow, but in person, it's like a tannish color. But it looks really nice nonetheless. And yeah, super, super nice. And that acrylic, if it's on a wall, it'll look even better because the acrylic will just make it shine a little bit nicer. So it looks really cool. And then this is what it looks like from the back. Even from the back, if you happen to mount it backwards, that's what it would look like. Obviously you have a wire hanging here, but I think it looks really nice this way as well. So just a little summary, we got the alien and the moon here, and then the pineapple. I do like all of these. Personally, I like the pineapple the most, and then the two colorway. I just like two colorway neon signs. Those are my favorite because obviously it's two colors, not one solid color. I hope to see maybe in the future that they can do RGB or music effect ones. That would be pretty cool, that you can be able to change it however you want. So if you wanted to independently control this one to be blue, like a blue moon or something, or a red moon, yellow moon, whatever. And then if you wanted this to be a green alien with, I don't know, blue eyes or something, or white eyes, then you can do that. That would be really cool. But maybe they'll just have different options available. But I'd personally pay a lot more for if they're RGB. That'd be really cool. So yeah, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check the link in the description for these products. They're a limited sale. Usually whenever they come out with new neon products or new products in general, they'll have sales for them. And these are really good, so I highly recommend you guys pick them up. All right, see you guys next one. Thank you for watching.